Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I am getting a little nostalgic and sharing a secret family recipe that's been passed down for generations in my family. Goan beef chops. These are not ordinary chops guys. These are crispy on the outside, melt in your mouth, tender on the inside, bursting with fragrant of Goan spices and guaranteed to satisfy your deep comfort food cravings. Now this recipe is a family secret, but I am willing to share a few of these secrets that make this chop so special. We'll be using a unique blend of warming spices, a special trick to get the potatoes perfectly crispy, and a filling so flavorful you won't believe it. And if you are ready to embark a delicious Goan adventure, grab your aprons and let's get cooking. So now let's begin. First keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 6 large potatoes, add some salt to taste. Then cover it and cook the potatoes until soft. Then take a mixer jar, add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon white poppy seeds, 1 cm round tamarind, 1 inch ginger, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 12 black peppercorns, 6 cloves, half teaspoon sugar, 1 green chili, and add half bunch of coriander leaves. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoon water, and blend this to a paste. Make sure the paste is something like this. Then check on the potatoes. Use a fork to check if it is soft in the center. Then it is cooked. Then remove it in a separate bowl and allow it to cool down completely. Then take 250 grams minced beef, add some salt to taste. Then add the green masala which was previously made and give this a nice mix. Then marinate this for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 1 onion chopped and fry it until it is soft. Then add 1 chopped tomato and fry the tomato until it is soft. Then add the marinated minced beef and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then cover and cook for about 10 minutes on a medium flame. Then peel the potato skin when it is nice and cool down. Then simply mash it until it is nice and smooth. Add about 2 tablespoons oil for a smooth potato mash. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then check on the beef. Give this a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, add 1 teaspoon Goan vinegar and fry this for about 5 minutes. Then leave this aside and cool it down. To make the beef chops, take the mashed potato and minced beef. Also take some oil to apply for the hand while shaping the beef chops. Then shape the beef chops as shown. Then whisk 1 whole egg and take 1 cup breadcrumb and half cup semolina or rava and give this a nice mix. Then simply coat the beef chops as shown. First dip it in the egg wash and then in the breadcrumb and semolina mix. Do the same for all the other beef chops. Then leave them in the fridge for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil. Then fry the chops until it is crispy and golden brown. Make sure the flame is on medium and not too high. So there you go, they are perfectly cooked on one side. Then simply turn them around to cook them on the other side. So the Goan beef chops are ready to serve. Alright everyone, that's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into my family's secret stash of deliciousness. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to let me know in the comments below how it turned out to be. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking. Bye.